In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Zoom profile picture on your device. So whether you're using Android or iPhone, this video is going to walk you through how you can change from the default Zoom profile picture or remove your existing Zoom profile picture and set a new profile picture. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And the first thing you want to do when you want to change Zoom profile picture is open the Zoom application and sign into your account. Then once you open the Zoom application, click on the menu, click on the more icon at the bottom right. You'll be taken to your Zoom profile page. On the profile page, click on your name, then select the profile picture or profile photo and click on that. Then choose an option that says take photo or choose photo. If you want to take photo, this is going to open your phone camera and take a new photo that you're going to set as your Zoom profile picture. Otherwise, click on choose photo to select existing photo on your phone gallery. Then tap take a photo to take a photo of yourself. So let's say I want to take a photo of this and set it as my profile picture. I'm going to go ahead and click on take a photo. Then allow this app. This is going to open my phone camera application. Then switch the camera like this. I'm going to position this image properly. Then click on this icon to take the photo. There you go. Then click on OK. Then if you see that says complete this action, let me use gallery and click on once. Then you can just drag this to give a perfect match your photo and then click on done. There you go. Just place wait. This is going to change your Zoom profile post photo like that. So this is how you can easily change Zoom profile photo. So you see that? Now you can also select this option to choose your Zoom profile photo from your device gallery. Go ahead and click on choose photo. Then select the photo you want to use from your device gallery. If the photo is valid, you should be able to select the photo and set as your profile picture on your Zoom. Otherwise, you should see an invalid picture. Then select another picture for this purpose. Then select once. And there you go. Adjust this for your picture. Then click on the done button. There you go. Go ahead and open the Zoom application. Then you should see your profile picture change to the newly selected profile picture. So this is how you can easily change profile picture on Zoom application. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.